UseState is a basic React hook that allows us to update states in our application immediately. Here I have a counter as an example. So what I have are two basic functions, one to increase our number and one to decrease our number. So the problem we face is that even though we can see our number updating in the console, it's not updating in our application. This is because this value is not reactive. You could say that the changes are not being picked up by React. UseState was created to solve this problem. So first you need to import UseState and then create your UseState variables. And within your UseState params you need to provide an initial value. So let's set that to 0. What we have just done here is called array destructuring. So these two variables are going to be used by the UseState function. They can be named whatever we want. The first value is the name of our variable that we want to update, and the second value is a function that we can use to update our first value. So on our onClick here, we can call setNumber. And in the params here, we need to say what we want to do with our variable. So in our case, we want to increase our number on the plus button. So we want to return number plus 1. And decrease our number on the minus button, so number minus 1. So now we can see changes immediately in our application. And that's the gist of React UseState.